Nebulizer treatments are one of those things that when you need it now. And you can't go around looking for parts and fittings and hoses and hoping that you have all your stuff where you need it when you need it. Breathing treatments, especially in the wake of COVID, have become one of those things that is just extra important and that you need to stay extra vigilant to make sure that you can do if it's something that you need. I have 2 people in my house that when they get sick, they can really use nebulizer treatments. So what I've done is I've created a kit to keep all of our nebulizer stuff together. What's up, everybody? It's our Knives and Survival, and today I'm going to show you my nebulizer kit. Now, this is not an expensive Pelican case. This is an Apache 3800. And I think I got this a while back at Northern Tool or Harbor Freight. I can't remember which. Probably Harbor Freight. But anyhow, it's cheap, it does the job, and it came with pluck foam. So, here we go. All right, real easy. Got the nebulizer, got a couple extra fittings, got one of the little medicine doohickeys, got the actual nebulizer mouth sucker, whatever the hell that's called, a couple hoses, kid's mask or nose mask. Back here, an extra hose. I have the actual nebulizer treatments. Levabuterol. And then in here, alcohol wipes for wiping down before and after all the mouth stuff and making sure you're good and sanitary. And that's it. This is one of those things that for a while in 2020 and 2021, we could not get them. So these were all out of stock. And when you need it, it's worth its weight in gold. And when you don't, nobody thinks about it. But now I have a kit, and I suggest that anything that you need that has multiple parts and pieces like this, turn around and kit it. Get it all kitted up and good to go. So I know this isn't the glamorous side of prepping. This isn't like cool guns and axes and hatchets and all that, but this is one of those things that when you need it, you really do need it. So that's it. Our Knives and Survival out.